Take modern art to the next level with the Heat and Glow Luxe. This innovative fireplace creates a vivid fireside experience. Instead of traditional logs and embers, colorful artistic flames rise through modern media and sculpted stainless steel. A reflective glass firebox multiplies the fire and radiates the flames, while premium glass reduces glare by 89% and appears nearly invisible. The Luxe is available in a 36 or 42-inch size. It has a clean-face design which allows finishing up to the edge of the fireplace. This delivers a seamless contemporary look. Customized with many different stone media and front options for a unique look. Your safety is our priority. Direct Vent technology creates a sealed firebox and ensures optimal indoor air quality. Standard safety screens provide added protection, and the IntelliFire Plus ignition system constantly monitors ignition for safe functioning. Add some contemporary flair to your favorite room with the Heat and Glow Luxe. It's modern art on fire.